Hello, my name is Tom Henney. In today's project, I will be shown how to add some of the more frequently used modules that I use into favorites. Now, this is a continuation of our previous video on adding I/O modules. I'm going to scroll down here a little bit and show you the materials for today's project. First of all, I'm using the Allen Bradley ControlLogix controller. Next, I am using the Studio 5000 Logix Designer software. And as usual, I give you the link to the web page where you can find these items. I'm going to scroll down a little bit here and show you the project description. Occasionally you will be using some modules more than others. Those will be your favorites. So you actually want to have faster access to them, so adding them to favorites will be your best alternative. First thing I want to do is come over here to the controller organizer, and under the I/O configuration folder, I want to select here on the 1769 bus and right click and select new module. And as you can see in my favorites tab, there is no favorites listed in here. So I'm going to come back here to the catalog, and I'm going to show the filter here. And I'm going to do the same thing we did in the previous video, and I'm going to select Allen Bradley to filter out some of the other manufacturers, and the same thing with the module type. And I'm going to select digital for just regular normally inputs and outputs. And the first card that I'd like to select would be the 1769 IA16. It is a 16-point AC input card. Now, for me, this is a fairly common card, so I would like to add this to my favorites. So I will highlight it, click on it, and highlight it, and then click the button down here on the right-hand side that says Add to Favorites. And that card is added to my favorites now. And the next one is come down here to the 1769 OA16. It is a commonly used 16-point AC output card for me. So I'm going to select that also and add it to favorites. Now I'm going to come up here to the favorites tab again and select it. And you can see the two cards that I added are in there. Now, if you ever want to remove one of these cards, just highlight it, right click, and remove favorite. So that's the end of this video. So if you liked it or you learned something, let me know. Leave a comment. Otherwise, I'll see you next video.